I'd like to introduce our CEO and dealer principal, Helen Shane-Kircher, who just wants to say a few words to thank you guys for coming out, one of the key sponsors for this event.
Good afternoon, everybody. I want to personally welcome you to the Leadership Sinai Porsche Valley, a fundraising for family productive health at Sinai, and we are honored to be part of this event. By the way, this is our 4th year. As you can imagine, there are so many urgent and important causes that need our support, and so many that need help. Mount Sinai is the most caring and giving healthcare system. Without a doubt, the best medicine with some of the world's best and most recognized physicians, surgeons, and researchers, and I am pleased and honored to be part. Myself and my family are the beneficiary of the Mount Sinai Hospital system. I have been raising funds for over 20 years, a board of governor member since 2000. A patient and my entire family is looked after by the family medicine department. Jordi, Sinai's leadership president, is looking to raise and exceed his goal this year. So let's make him proud of his endless efforts. Thank you.
All right, so I just wanted to thank everybody for coming out today. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jordi Mecklinger, and I'm the Chair of Leadership Sinai and Chair of the Leadership Sinai Porsche Rally. A special thanks goes out to Mrs. Helen Shane-Kircher and Dr. Peter Kircher, owners of Downtown Porsche and DFC Auto Group. 4 years ago, I met with them in their boardroom at their dealership, and I had this crazy idea of borrowing the keys to a bunch of brand new Porsches and hooning around the back roads of Klienburg. Their response was an instant yes. I'll never forget how they told me that they said the doctors and staff at Mount Sinai are the heroes of our community and we should do everything that we can do to support them.